Alright, today we are going to be taking and problem solving how to turn this into an object. But remember, when you get your table stuff out, each half of the table helps out. Gets the mats and forks, and we don't need wood blocks because they're with your project. Every day everybody helps. It shouldn't be a big deal because this is all an awesome art room and we should all help each other out. What I need to do though is I need to turn this into something cool. And I'm going to reshape it a little bit. I got a little crack, but that's okay. I can smooth it out. I'm going to reshape this to make it a little bit longer. I think I'm going to go for a weird cartoony shark. So I'm going to make it a little bit longer than it's supposed to be. And remember, don't shake it up, otherwise you'll lose all the maraca part of the maraca because they'll all stick to the side. I can get extra clay. Remember, don't use the clay cutter. Ask the teacher to cut some clay. And the idea here is I can use some extra clay and roll it out or flatten it out, and I can make whatever I'd like. So I could cut a fin here, and I'm going to cut a fin. Let's see what I got. There's kind of a fin. And remember, the extra clay will dry up, so ball it back up. You can even knead it. I got a nice fin right here. We'll have to see how that goes. Maybe I'll even cut that just a little bit more and make it a side fin, if you will. And if I like the shape of it, what I can do is I can lay out or roll out some more clay here, and I could set this on top of it and trace it so I got the exact same size of that. Boom. So now I have another fin about that same size. I can cut it a little bit. It wasn't perfect there, but that's okay. I can reshape it. That's a little big, so I want to make sure I cut it down. And make sure you ball up your extra clay. But when you connect clay to clay, every single time you got to make sure that you score and slip. So I'm going to take this fin and I'm going to go and score the top of this. I'm going to go this way with it. I'm going to go this way with it. Got to mess it up a little bit, going maybe even some argyle, who knows. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to mess this guy up. Remember, just a little bit of slip, a little bit of water on there. Don't need tons. And I'm going to stick this on here. Careful not to smash my project. I could even go along the edges and smooth it out just a little bit. But I'm kind of going cartoony, so I don't need to actually smooth it too much into it. Don't use too much water, otherwise your clay project will start falling apart, and that's kind of a big deal. What I can do here is I can add, maybe even think about a cool fin back here, maybe little side fins, something like that. But what I'm doing here is I'm creating my object from the sphere maraca that we started with. Good luck, everybody.